It's been the most widespread spill of snowfall as far as Kashmir Valley is concerned, and first time this season snowfall has touched Srinagar. It has provided a respite as far as extreme cold conditions are concerned, because from -7-8 the temperatures have basically gone to 0 degrees, which is a relief. I've been joined by Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed, who's a senior scientist as far as IMD Srinagar is concerned. Sir, we know that snowfall finally has broken this long dry spell. But we also know that another western disturbance is coming. So can you tell us about it? Which are the days where we'll see snowfall again in Kashmir, and especially as far as plains are concerned?
Thank you so much. Two western disturbances are again approaching from 1st January onwards. So the first WD is a feeble WD, which is affecting from 1st January evening. And light snow is expected over plains of central Kashmir as well as plains of North Kashmir, and a few areas may receive light to moderate snowfall. Then again, second WD is approaching during third evening. It is a moderate intensity WD, and widespread rain snow is expected across Jammu and Kashmir. And light to moderate snowfall is expected over North Kashmir, Central Kashmir and South Kashmir over plains. And few areas may also receive moderate to heavy snowfall is expected. Other than this, the peak activity is during 4th and 5th January, okay. And precipitation is more or less expected till 6th of afternoon.
Sir, talking of precautions, we know that once skies open up, temperatures plummet again. So we see ice, we see black ice, a lot of slippery conditions for people who walk or drive. So what is your advisory? Because already we've seen many accidents happening across Kashmir.
Yeah, but it has been snowed, and over higher is it is snowing since last 1 month or so, and black ice is already there. And due to sub-freezing temperatures during night or early morning, it may pile up the complications related to driving and even normal work. So people should take care of all these things, and they should follow the guidelines and advisories of administration and traffic department. Other than this, those who are using electric gadgets as well as the gas-based bokharis, they should also use it very cautiously, because many fire incidents have been happening every day, and due to suffocation some deaths have been already reported, and this year also as well as in previous years. So people should cautiously use these electric gadgets and these heating gadgets, and it should not be used unattended, and before sleeping these should be properly switched off.
Lastly, sir, last question. This snowfall activity and the kind of cold it will create, will it also impact North India, places like Delhi, because you will have snowfall in the northwestern Himalayas?
It will definitely impact, but many places of plains of North India, it has been seen some shallow clouds and this shallow fog. And because of this, temperatures have not gone that much below as expected. Right. So in coming days, when this fog layer, if uplifted, can be a little bit cold in plains of North India.
So this can impact?
Yes, definitely.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So that was Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed explaining how another western disturbance is approaching as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned, and between 3rd and 6th of January more snowfall is expected, and especially this could be intense in mountains, and Srinagar and plains could also experience season's second snow spell. So good news as far as Kashmir is concerned, because if it snows and if it is wet weather, extreme cold conditions people can get relief from, because the non-stop last 1 month -7, 8, 9 Srinagar has experienced, and that was leading to a kind of an ice age effect where everything was frozen. So now people can expect more snowfall. Good news, but at the same time advisory that people who are coming out for holidays, driving to Kashmir or driving to places like Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Sonmarg, should be careful, have vehicles with 4x4, and ensure that chains on their tires are there so that they can negotiate the slippery conditions that these roads are offering right now, because Kashmir, all the hilly roads right now are literally like ice skating rinks, and you have to negotiate them with the right vehicles and chains, of course, that can save your lives. Camperson Tariq Lonmi, Farid, Srinagar, Point Day Today.